There's nothing quite like beautiful hardwood floors. Hardwood floors not only make your home shine, but they add lasting value to your property. Do you have hazy or dingy-looking floors? Using store-bought products over time can lead to buildup on your hardwood floors, causing them to have a hazy look. We can remove the buildup for you professionally with our hardwood floor cleaning process. At Floor Pro, we offer everything from professional cleaning of hardwoods to screening, recoating, sanding, refinishing, or installation and damage repair. Restoring the natural beauty of your floors is achieved through our screening or sanding process. First, you'll receive a quote tailored specifically for your space. Then we'll work together to create a custom color and/or finish to bring your floors back to life. If you're considering the replacement of your current floors with hardwoods, we're here to help. Whether it's your entire home or just one room, our hardwood professionals will get the job done right, giving you a beautiful and unified look for your home. From cleaning to refinishing, make your floors look brand new again with professional hardwood services from Floor Pro.